Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at the 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Electra Glide Ultra Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. The 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Electra Glide Ultra Limited, with 36,250 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines PCX exhaust headers, Chrome Works mufflers, a rear suspension lowering adapter, primary cover, a horn, and 10-inch handlebars. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Electra Glide puts 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Electra Glide has a 200 to 240 mile range. It has a 28.3 inch seat height and a 916-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the center air vent door won't stay open. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's wearing on the left grip, a scratch on the left saddlebag, and a scratch on the trunk. This bike has an owner's manual, 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.